Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold remains volatile as Middle East conflict escalates. Gold hovered around 3360 per ounce in volatile trade on Monday as investors closely monitor the escalating war in the Middle East following US involvement in Israeli strikes on Iran. Gold edges higher amid worries over Middle East conflict. And my dear friends, because of the US strike on Iran during the weekend, we got a big gap up opening. We discussed on Saturday also that this weekend was very special. Any news will bring a lot of volatility, and as expected, okay, there was action because of which we got a $20 gap up or 200 pips gap up on the chart of gold. But the important thing that we need to focus here is that there was a gap up opening, and you must be knowing that market doesn't like gaps. So usually, okay, whenever there's a gap up or gap down, market usually fills it. But here you can see that after filling the gap also, the selling pressure on gold continued. Gold came to our support around 3355450. Remember from Saturday? Yes, gold came to our support of 335450 and then gold bounced. So after the gap up opening, we got to see immediate profit booking on gold. And right now gold is trading around 3360 while recording the video. So if you look at the articles, or if you go through the articles, okay, you'll see that gold is bullish. Yes, gold is bullish. There is no doubt about it. But if we look at the chart carefully, can we say that gold is bullish? Still no. Technically, yes, gold tried to get bullish, but gold failed. And because of this profit booking, okay, we can see that the gold is still sideways. At least technically, gold needs to cross 3400. Then only we can consider that gold is about to continue the upside. Now, the question still remains. Okay, there is a crisis going on. Okay, the whole world is watching, but still gold is not going up. Why? What is the reason? Okay, see, the exact reason is not known here. Due to the strikes, okay, of from US, obviously there was a gap up, okay, the opening, okay, but due to the profit booking, okay, market came down. Why profit booking happened? Because the conflict is going on for quite some time. That's why when the investors got the opportunity, they exited immediately. And one more reason is that, okay, Iran has not retaliated yet. Okay, if Iran gives a strong response, maybe we will see a good amount of upside. But as of now, Iran has not responded yet to USA. As a result, okay, the market is still struggling, or market is just observing. If things escalate, if things get very hot between USA and Iran, then we can expect the market to be upside because more countries will get involved and it may take the shape of a global war. But as of now, okay, due to no response from Iran, okay, we can see that gold is still sideways, though there was a gap up opening due to profit booking, market came down. Okay, and as I said, for the upside to continue, okay, gold needs to cross 3400. Okay, unless it is trading below 3400, the market will remain under pressure. So let's discuss the trading opportunities then. So my dear friends, the support from Saturday, which is 335450, is gone because market has already taken support. But as you can see right now that there is not much volume. So if market behaves like this, if market stays like this, then as a day trader you can expect a bounce again. On Saturday we considered 335054 as a good support, but today this is not a good support because market has already tested it once. And the problem is that market has formed a lower high. The formation of lower high indicates pressure. So if gold goes down, hits 335450 area with low pressure, as a day trader you can expect a bounce of 50 to 60 pips. But If the selling pressure gets high, if market forms a big red candle, then obviously due to high selling pressure, market will break 335450. And this is quite possible also because market has formed a lower high. So 335450 is a weak support right now. If market stays like this, we can look for a support of 50 to 60 pips. But during the second or third attempt, there's a high chance that market will break it. If that happens, we can look for a sell below this area as well. You can look for a sell below 3350 during the second or third attempt when market will break it. So volume is going to play a major role. Right now, we do not have much volume, so chances of a breakdown is very less. Breakdown ka chance thoda kam hai filhal. And where is the next support then? Yes, the support of 3343 at the blue box, okay, where market took support previously is still very much valid. And if market remains like this, then I think market will try to take support because I'm not expecting a trend reversal towards downside in this situation. Okay, so if market takes support on 3343 area, we can look for a buy position. But gold is full of surprises, and recently gold has been very difficult. Gold ne dimag kharab kar diya, isn't it? Okay, gold has blown our minds. Okay, so if gold gives a surprise again, then obviously we cannot help it. Okay, in that scenario, okay, you can look for a sell below this particular level. Okay, if market shows heavy selling pressure during the US session, if there is a sudden profit booking on the chart of gold, then we can look for a sell below 3337. How much you can expect? You can expect at least 80 plus or 80 to 90 pips on the chart of gold. And you can see on a daily chart, we have a dynamic support from the 50 moving average around 3320. Yes. So we can expect that this level will give us some relief. As it is a dynamic support, obviously the level can change also. So you can put the 50 moving average on your chart and observe accordingly. So around 3320, around 3325, we can expect a support if market breaks the blue box. Okay. So if you're still wondering, Avilash, okay, we should go for a buy or sell. Okay, then the answer is not clear because if you just okay, from layman's point of view, okay, layman's view, obviously it's a buy, but technically we can see that market is not going for a buy. So things are very difficult, and obviously it's gold. Gold has always been difficult. Okay, so it's better to stick to the levels. Like obviously market should go for a buy, but if market is not going up, we cannot help it, isn't it? So if market goes down, then obviously we need to plan our trades accordingly. After all, we are traders. We need to be flexible. Without flexibility, we won't be able to survive. And if market goes up, then scalpers, super high risk scalpers can look for a sell around 3375. Okay, this is a high, super, not high risk, super high risk selling opportunity because of previous support acting as resistance. Okay, and obviously if market goes up, then obviously market will be trying to recover. So in simple words, okay, if you're confused right now, totally after watching the video, in simple words, gold should be going up, okay, but we can see that gold is not going up because market is mostly waiting for Iran's response. Though there was a gap up opening, but still gold failed to sustain because investors booked their profit because the conflict has been going on for quite some time in the Middle East. As we can see right now that gold is still sideways in this crisis situation, so we need to be flexible and plan our trades accordingly. If the profit booking or selling pressure on gold continues, then obviously we can look for a sell position below this level. We can look for a sell position below this level because see, gold should be going up, but if it is not going up, we cannot force it. And if you look for a sell, then the support, remember the support from last week? Yeah, the support from last week is still very much valid. If it takes support, we can look for a buy position. Okay, and as I already said that around 3350 if market approaches with low volume, we can buy there as well. And if market breaks the blue box here during the US session with high volume, we can look for a sell below it. The next support will be from the 50 moving average from the daily chart around 3320. But time will speak. Okay, time will speak. Market has been too volatile, and if anything crazy happens, I will update in a Telegram community. Feel free to join if you're still not a part of it. Okay, already I have so many things in the group in the morning. And if market goes up, then obviously we can hold or buy positions. Okay, but if you're a scalper, you can look for a sell around 3375. Yes, we can look for a sell around 3410, around those areas also that we discussed earlier also in our videos. I do not want to discuss right now and waste your time because market, okay, those levels are far away. Personally, I feel that market will remain like this and market may try to trap traders because it is cool. Okay, so if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader and you're finding it very difficult to understand gold right now, okay, then take a pause, take a break, and observe the market because really gold has been very difficult for the last 3 4 not 3 4 weeks, okay, 2 to 3 months. I can understand, okay, because personally I also have been struggling a lot. That's true. Okay, be careful, use proper stop loss and risk management. Okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Think about your family.